Okay guys, this is a long video, or short, it depends on you want it. We're going to replace the screen protector. All you have to do is, I'll pull the, this is not how you take off a screen protector, guys. Go to a professional. Okay, there you go, get rid of that explosive glass. Alright, let's take it apart. What do we have? Plastic, no need. LCD white, that's a lie. This should be OLED. Okay. There we go. I should probably show it on camera. Before you put your screen on, take the sticker and make sure there's no more dust that's hidden between the screen. Gently around the corner. And take your glass and you peel it. Whoosh. Okay. I'll apply this without destroying something. And let's get rid of the air bubbles. And there you go. That's how you put a screen protector, fellas. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button somewhere there. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.